Okay, I think somebody has also put the question. Do you have to face Qibla while making dua? No. While making dua, you don't have to. Like for example, now you are driving and your Qibla is in the east, for an example, or in the west, and you are heading towards east. Your Qibla is in the west and you're heading towards east, and something happened suddenly in your car. You're gonna turn the car on the motorway and face the Qibla and then you make the dua? Common sense. You will make dua immediately when you are in trouble. Same thing when you are traveling in the, you're in the ship, in the sea. You're gonna look for the Qibla to, make dua if the ship is sinking? No. If the flight is there, plane is going, you'll change the direction for the plane for making dua when there's a problem in the flight, there's a problem in the train, there's a problem in the car? No. So this is not the condition, and Allah will never put this condition because it's illogical. Alhamdulillah.